What if I told you that flour and water could become a perpetual motion machine in your kitchen? By harnessing natural fermentation, we are cultivating a wild starter that bypasses the need for store-bought packets forever. Watch how this rhythmic feeding process transforms basic ingredients into artisanal masterpieces using only nature. Once your sourdough starter is mature and active, it can be stored in the refrigerator between baking sessions. Give it a fresh feeding before refrigerating, where it will remain healthy for days or even weeks with minimal attention. When you're ready to bake, remove the starter from the refrigerator and feed it. Over the next day or two, continue feeding it until it becomes bubbly, active, and consistently doubles in size. Clear signs that it's ready to leaven your dough once again. With proper care, a sourdough starter can live for many years, even decades. As it matures, it develops a deeper, more complex flavor unique to your home and baking routine. Many bakers proudly pass their treasured mother starter from one generation to the next, creating a living family heirloom that continues to produce beautiful artisan bread for years to come. Every great loaf begins with something almost invisible. Hidden all around us are billions of wild yeasts and beneficial bacteria, floating through the air and resting on grains of organic flour. Together, they create a living culture unlike any other on Earth. By simply mixing equal parts organic flour and filtered water, you're inviting these natural microbes to settle, grow, and begin an extraordinary partnership. At first, the mixture looks lifeless, a thick paste with no obvious signs of activity. But beneath the surface, microscopic organisms are awakening. Within days, tiny bubbles begin to appear. Subtle aromas develop, and the starter slowly transforms into a thriving biological engine. This isn't just fermentation. It's the birth of a living ecosystem, one that will give every loaf its own signature flavor, shaped entirely by your home, your climate, and your care. The first week is where a sourdough starter transforms from a simple mixture into a resilient living culture. Every 24 hours, fresh flour and filtered water provide new nutrients while weaker microbes gradually disappear. With each feeding, the strongest wild yeasts and beneficial bacteria multiply, building a healthier, more stable colony. Soon, the starter begins a predictable rhythm. It rises as fermentation reaches its peak, then slowly falls as the available food is consumed. Learning this cycle allows you to recognize exactly when your starter is strongest. Its aroma evolves as well. The dull scent of wet flour gives way to notes of fresh yogurt, ripe fruit, and a pleasant tang of vinegar, a sign that beneficial microbes are thriving. By the seventh day, your starter is no longer just a mixture of flour and water. It has awakened into a vibrant ecosystem, ready to create exceptional artisan bread. By now, your sourdough starter has developed into a thriving living culture. But the real skill lies in learning to read what it's telling you. One of the simplest tests is the float test. Gently place a spoonful of active starter into a bowl of water. If it floats, it's filled with tiny pockets of carbon dioxide, a sign it's ready to help bread dough rise. Temperature also plays a powerful role. A warmer kitchen speeds up fermentation, while cooler conditions slow microbial activity, allowing you to match your baking schedule. As your feeding routine becomes consistent, your starter enters a new stage, one of stability. It rises and falls predictably, develops reliable strength, and becomes a perpetual source of natural leavening. You're no longer creating a starter. You're maintaining a living companion that can bake exceptional bread for years, even decades, to come. A mature sourdough starter is more than an ingredient. It's the beginning of an endless baking tradition. Instead of using the entire starter, bakers simply remove a portion to build a levain, the active preferment that becomes the heart of each new loaf. The original starter stays behind, ready to grow again with just a fresh feeding of flour and water. For those who bake less often, there's an even simpler approach. The scrapings method leaves only a thin coating of starter inside the jar before refrigerating it. Days, or even weeks later, a single feeding brings the culture back to life with almost no waste. Over time, this living starter can produce hundreds of artisan loaves while eliminating the need for commercial yeast and many ultra-processed bread additives. With nothing more than flour, water, time, and care, you've created a self-sustaining tradition that can nourish your family for generations. The greatest sourdough starter isn't measured in days or weeks, but in years. With every feeding, the living culture continues to evolve, developing deeper flavors and a richer character shaped by your home, your hands, and the natural microbes unique to your environment. Many bakers call it the mother because it gives life to every future loaf. A single spoonful can be shared with family, friends, or neighbors, allowing one culture to inspire countless new kitchens around the world. Over time, your glass jar becomes more than a baking tool. It becomes a family heirloom, passed from one generation to the next. In a world built on speed and convenience, sourdough reminds us that some of life's greatest rewards cannot be rushed. Sometimes the simplest ingredients, flour, water, and time, create the richest traditions of all.